Put your hands back, right? If we make it a left, you don't have to pull this hand over here to yank it over, right? You got a hand here already. Pull it here.
I was dying laughing. That video was funny.
It was funny. Why you, what's wrong? Oh.
Nothing. She been up since 5 this morning, so she alright.
Okay.
Hopefully you do better this time, Mama.
She got it.
Now, new drivers, it's very important that you get you some rest before you get out here learning how to drive. It really helps you to stay focused, and I need my students to stay focused. Because this is the clip that Mama was laughing about from our last lesson, stand to the right.
This was doing there. You got to stay focused on where you going.
Sorry.
Stay on the right side of the road. How you end up going that way?
But anywho, in today's lesson, I really want to break down some ways that new drivers can figure this out when it comes to they turning. Alright folks, so in this video, I wanted to break down some of the common mistakes with new drivers when they getting out here trying to learn how to turn. One of the biggest mistakes is this little shimmy, right? When they halfway turning it, it don't allow you to completely turn the wheel and get to your side of the road. Let's check it out real quick.
Right side. So then you gotta turn the wheel correctly so we can get it over there. Take it out, we're gonna make a left.
Now, shimmying is always a problem, but there's always the other problem that new drivers do, and that is repositioning their hand before it's time to turn. What this gonna do is tighten up your turn, and you are not gonna get to the correct side of the road. We always gotta get to the right side of the road, new drivers.
The right side.
You said right side? Okay.
Always the right side of the road.
Okay.
Make a right and stay to the right. Rotate it hard so we stand to the right. And just stop. We're going to be turning to the right. You have to make sure that you're turning it correctly so that we're not going on the left side of the road, but we're aiming for the right side. Every time we turn, you're going on the opposite side. You have to stay focused so we can turn and get to where we need to. Let's turn to the right here.
So all I'm saying, new drivers, is if you turn it to the right, pull over with the left hand that's already on that side of the wheel. It don't make sense for you to take your right hand, put it all the way on the left side, right? And then you double down with a half shimmy. That ain't gonna get it. It ain't gonna cut it hard enough, new drivers, to put you on the right side of the road. You gotta be paying attention to that and staying focused. I can tell already that we heading to the left side of the road, but I just let my new drivers feel out while we in the parking lot and let them learn through the experiences, right? She already straightening it up, and as you can see, we on the left side of the road. Now, after she went for that reposition for a third time, I had just about had it, right? We got to figure out another solution so we on the same page, new drivers.
We don't reposition our hand like that. Pull it with the hand that's already there. Straighten it back up. Let's roll. You keep going like this and yanking it over. We don't got to do that. There you go again. Reposition it. Right? You don't have to slide that hand over there. You already got a hand there. Put your hands back. Right? If we make it a left, you don't have to pull this hand over here to yank it over. Right? You got a hand here already. Pull it here.